Power generating garage. Let the sun pay your mortgage. Built by Angee Construction, powered by the future. Designed for duplex and laneway homes, the power generating garage is a fully enclosed detached double garage built in your backyard. It not only provides parking, it generates clean power for your entire family. Using advanced BIPV power glass, Angee Construction combines the roof and solar system into one structure. The roof itself becomes a clean power generator, strong, elegant, and built to last 50 years. Traditionally, homeowners spend $30,000 for a garage and another $30,000 for rooftop solar. That's $60,000 total. Now, the power generating garage delivers both for just $40,000, reducing your cost by 30% while delivering higher long-term value. Traditional roofs last only 15 years, while the power generating glass roof lasts 50 years. Power generation extends from 25 years to 50 years, boosting lifetime returns by more than 60%. It's not just an upgrade, it's a generational investment. With a 15 kilowatt system, the power generating garage produces over 18,000 kilowatt hours per year, enough to cover your home's daily electricity needs and power a Tesla or any EV driving up to 20,000 kilometers annually. No hotspot effect, no fire risk. Resistant to hail over 25 millimeters. Low maintenance, no exposed frames, far safer than rooftop solar. All wiring is separate from the house, keeping your home secure and your power independent. Traditional garage plus solar, $60,000 total, 15-year roof, 25-year power. Power generating garage, $40,000 total, 50-year roof, 50-year power. 30% lower cost, 60% higher return. 15 years to payback, 35 years of pure profit. One structure, one system, double the value. Power generating garage. Let the sun pay your mortgage. 15 kilowatts, 50 years of power, built by Angee Construction. Smarter, safer, more profitable. It's not just a garage, it's your private power plant.